Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you how to get rid of acne scars, dark spot, hyperpigmentations, wrinkles, aging, and all that. If that sounds like what you're searching for, keep on watching this video. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my video. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you how to get rid of acne scars, dark spot, hyperpigmentation. If you just came across my video for the first time, you're highly welcome to this channel, to the family. My name is Naya. In this channel, we talk about beauty, skincare, DIY, product review, and many more. You're highly welcome once again. Feel free to ask any question if you have anything to ask concerning skin issue. So, without wasting of your time, let's proceed. Like I said, today I'm gonna share with you simple recipe to get rid of dark spot, hyperpigmentation, and all that. So, if you have been searching for something like natural way to get rid of it, all I would say is that if you want to get rid of it, you just have to be consistency. All right, consistency is everything that you need when it comes to skincare. Okay. So without wasting of it, let's just jump into. All right, so first ingredient we're gonna be needing is gonna be rice flour. Okay, rice flour is really great on skin when it comes to skin lightening and also getting rid of dark spot, hyperpigmentation. It will help exfoliate the skin. And second on the list, which is plain yogurt. Okay, we're gonna be making use of plain yogurt on this recipe like this video. Okay, plain yogurt is actually great on the skin as well. So next ingredient is gonna be honey. Okay, make sure you're getting the original honey. Okay, so all we have to do right now is to grab our clean bowl and make sure that we mix all the ingredients together. So all you have to do is to take 1 tablespoon of ground flour. Sorry, ground flour is my favorite. So all you have to do right now is to take 1 tablespoon of rice flour, okay, and 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon of honey. So right now all we are going to do is to mix all together to form a paste. Make sure you mix very well, okay? So all the ingredients will be very combined before applying it, okay? So after mixing, you just go ahead and clear your face, wash your face, and make sure that you remove all your makeup from the face and then apply this to the skin for like 15 to 20 minutes. Keep it for 20 minutes, okay? And then while taking it off, all you have to do is to make sure you rub your skin, like scrub your skin in a circular motions, like gently scrub your skin with the mask, okay? This is gonna help you get rid of dead skin cells as well. So you just have to make sure that you scrub your skin in a circular motion so that you won't hurt your skin. All right. So right now I'm gonna share with you as well when or how often should you use this. You should use this face mask for 1 to 2 times in a week. Okay. Why do this work? All right. Why this works? Honey and yogurt moisturize your skin and reduce any dry patches or flakiness. The rice flour, on the other hand, acts as a gentle exfoliator that helps remove dead skin cells. It also may reduce the appearance of any skin blemishes like pigmentations and scarring. This face face pack with rice flour helps make your skin or your face appears refreshed and bright. Do not let dark spot rule your mood, okay? Try this face pack and bid goodbye to them. Along with natural remedies for dark spot, it is important, okay? I repeat, it is important to take good care of your skin. All right? So, while stepping out in the sun, use a sunscreen with a good SPF, okay? And cover your face with a scarf if possible to prevent skin damage from the sun and pollutants, okay? So that's all for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like, share with your family. If you have any question, go ahead and comment below. I will definitely reply to you. So see you on my next video.